This is not good at all, because whatever's up there is not going through the pipes. And I walked all this path, no problem. These cars look a mess. And then I usually cross this way where my car is, but it's all ice and I can't. So now I'm going to attempt is what I'm going to do, to cross this way. Of course, I didn't wear my boots because I'm going to my dad's. This is not good at all. You hear that? Those are my feet. Walking on, I mean, if this freezes, we're in doo-doo trouble. This is absolutely crazy. Look at this car. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going over to my car. See my Fiat over there? Yeah. Parking lot is a disaster. But at least the water's moving for a little while. Be safe, everyone.